Risk models 2. Aggregate annual claims from a portfolio of general insurance policies have a compound Poisson distribution with Poisson parameter 20. Individual claim amounts have a uniform distribution over the interval 0 to 200. Excess of loss to insurance is arranged so that the expected amount paid by the insurer on any claim is 50. Calculate the variance of the aggregated annual claims paid by the insurer. So, first we'll do is 20.3. So question 1, we have X follows uniform 0, 200. Okay, so Y will follow X if X is less than equal to M, and it will follow M if X is greater than M. Okay, and similarly Y will follow Z will be equal to 0 if X is less than M, and it will be equal to X minus M if X is greater than M. Okay, so therefore expectation of Y is equals to backslash int underscore 0 to the power M 1 X into 1 by X into 1 by 200 dx. Come out of the integration. Next integral, integration underscore M to the power 200 1 by 200 into M into dx. Okay, and this is equals to 50. So next, solving this, we have alt equals to X to the power 2 divided by 400 underscore 0 to the power M plus mx divided by 200 underscore M to the power 200 is equals to 50. Hence M square divided by 400 plus M minus M square divided by 200 is equals to 50. Therefore alt equals to M square minus 400 M plus 20,000 is equals to 0. Hence alt equals to solving M using quadratic equation. So you can see this is Sridharacharya written. What you can do is just write backslash quadratic. See the Sridharacharya equations will appear. Now just replace the B. So B is minus of 400. So there will be a minus 400. You just need to write. Similarly here also, please just substitute the value so that it saves time. 4AC, so 4 into only 20,000 and divided by 2. Okay. So on solving this, we have the values equals to 58.79, 579 or 341.42. Okay. Now since claims are a maximum of 200, so M can be equal to 58.579 only. Okay, so this is done. Next, variance. Coming to variance, alt equals to variance of S is equals to backslash lambda into expectation of Y square, which is equals to 20 into expectation of Y square. Okay, so where calculating expectation of Y square, so which is equals to, if you see, this is the same equation written but with some minor changes. So I'll just copy this, paste this, come down. Now this has become my x square and this again has become m square. Okay, nothing else will change. I'll copy this portion also. Don't copy equal to 50, just solving this. we have expectation of XQ divided by 400, no, divided by 600 now, and here also expectation of X square, sorry, M square, and divided by 200, M by 2M. So alt equals to, this is equals to, I will not write anything, just copying everything, M to the power 3, 400 का 600 plus M square minus MQ. Here also it is M cube only instead of M square. Yeah. This no, this remains M square only. M cube. So on solving this, I have putting the values. So copying this, I have 58.579 plus 58.579, and here also 58.579. So if you solve this, this is equals to 2761.42. Okay, hence variance of S is equals to 20 into 2761.42, which is equals to 55228. Okay, complete. Coming to next sum. Going back to questions, so we'll do question 20.5. The number of claims from a given portfolio has a Poisson distribution with mean of 1.5 per month. Individual claim amounts have the following distribution amount in this. An aggregate reinsurance contract is arranged that the insurer pays no more than 50 per month in total. Assuming that the individual claim amounts are independent of each other and are independent of other claims, calculate the expected aggregate monthly claims for the insurer and the reinsurer. So we will calculate for the insurer and the reinsurer as well. So coming to 20.5, this is the reinsurance arrangement which is in place. So first writing question 2. S underscore I is equals to S if S is less than equals to 400, and it comes to 400 if S is greater than 400. Okay, and similarly S for the reinsurer, it is S underscore R. This becomes 0 and this is S minus 400. Okay, now since individual claim amounts must be either 200 or 300, the possible values of S underscore I is equals to 0, 200, 300, 400. Okay, so therefore all equal to expectation of S underscore I is equals to 0 into probability of S I equals to 0 plus 200 into probability of S I is equals to 200 plus 300 into probability of S I is equals to 300 and plus 400 into probability of S I equals to 400. Okay, so therefore insurers aggregate claim amount is 0 if there are no claims. So probability of s underscore I is equal to 0 equals to probability of n equals to 0 is equals to e to the power minus 1.5 into 1.5 to the power 0, all brackets close, divided by 0 factorial. Okay, so that is equals to e to the power minus 1.5. Next, the insurer's aggregate claim amount is 200 if there is one claim and the amount of claim is 200. So again probability of SI is equals to 200 is equals to probability of n equals to 1 and x1 is equals to 200. Okay, calculating these values, we have e to the power minus 1.5 into 1.5 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial, which is equals to 0.975 e to the power minus of 1.5. Okay, similarly we'll calculate probability of SI equals to 300. And similarly for 400 also. So first 300 is equals to probability of n equals to 1 and x1 is equal to 300 is equals to e to the power minus 1.5 into 0.35. Here we have missed something into 0.65 and here it is into 0.35. So this becomes 5 to 5. Okay, and then last is probability of SI is equals to 400 which is equals to is equals to 1 minus probability of S is equals to 0 minus probability of S is equals to 200 minus probability of S is equals to 300. Okay, so this is equals to 1 minus 2.5 e to the power 1 minus 2.5 e to the power minus 1.5. Okay, and therefore expectation of S underscore I is equals to 0 into e to the power minus 1.5 plus 200 into 0.975 into e to the power minus 1.5 plus 300 into 0.525 into e to the power minus 1.5 plus 400 into 1 minus 2.5 e to the power minus 1.5. On solving this, we get alt equals to 255.52. Hence expectation of S underscore R is equals to expectation of S minus expectation of S underscore I. So expectation of S is then equals to lambda into expectation of X, which is equals to 51.5, 200 into 0.65 plus 300 into 0.35, which is equals to 352.50. Hence expectation of S underscore R is equals to 352.5 minus 255.52, which is equals to 96.98. Okay, so this completes risk model 2 also. Thank you.